I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to completely turn off your Nintendo Switch Lite. Knowing how to properly power down your Nintendo Switch Lite is important for several reasons. Maybe you're looking to save battery life, perform a quick reset to fix minor issues, or simply want to store your device safely without it running in sleep mode. No matter the reason, turning off your Nintendo Switch Lite can help preserve its longevity and ensure it's ready to go the next time you want to play. So if you're ready to take better care of your gaming device and ensure it's powered down correctly, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Navigate to your Nintendo Switch Lite home screen. Press and hold the power button located at the top of your Nintendo Switch Lite. You'll eventually see a power menu open. Step 2. Select Power Options. The Power Options menu opens. Step 3. Select Turn Off. Your Nintendo Switch Lite will be completely turned off. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.